To get the most out of a Fidelity margin account, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved. A margin account allows you to borrow money from the brokerage firm to purchase more securities, using the securities in your account as collateral. First, it is crucial to understand the risks associated with a margin account. If the value of the securities in your account falls, you may receive a margin call, which requires you to deposit more money or sell some of your securities to bring your account back to the required level. To avoid margin calls, it is vital to maintain a sufficient amount of equity in your account. Fidelity requires a minimum of 30% equity in your margin account, but it is recommended to keep more than this to be safe. Another critical aspect of managing a Fidelity margin account is to understand the interest rates charged on margin loans. These rates can vary depending on the amount borrowed and your account balance. It is essential to review and understand the interest rates before borrowing on margin. To make the most of a Fidelity margin account, consider the following tips. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of asset classes to minimize risk. Monitor your account regularly to ensure you have sufficient equity and to avoid margin calls. Use margin borrowing sparingly and only when necessary, as it can amplify both gains and losses. Finally, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of the fees and charges associated with a Fidelity margin account. These may include interest charges on margin loans, maintenance fees, and other charges. By understanding these fees and charges, you can make informed decisions about your investments and avoid unexpected costs. By following these tips and best practices, you can effectively manage your Fidelity margin account and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always prioritize risk management and to carefully review the terms and conditions of your account before making any investment decisions.